Look at this smile. Look at it. This man lived with a bad smile for almost 20 years. All the things that happened in his life could have been different. This guy suffered from being embarrassed. It was painful to have a bad smile. The reason why I'm showing you this is because I could change it. We transformed this smile in just seconds. There was no pain, there was no grinding, there wasn't a dentist visit. We did it lab direct. He's sitting in the same chair you're sitting in. He wanted to improve his smile. He went online, he did his research, and he made a decision. Let me tell you why I'm telling you this. My name is Bill Watson. I'm a smile designer, and I help people all over the world improve their smile just like this. Most people shouldn't have to wait 20 years to improve their smile. This is a young lady. This was her smile. She had it for her entire life. She's never felt comfortable with her smile and didn't know how to change it. I changed it in a second. We made it possible for her to change her smile now. I always hope that people understand that we really can change their smile. The smiles that we do are competitive with the cosmetic dentists, like this and this and this. Man, it's just that easy. And I know it sounds too good to be true, and that's why I'm asking you to do your due diligence. Get educated. Look at our before and after pictures. Look at our reviews. Most people don't even know what their smile would look like if it was amazing. All the interactions that you have socially, what would they be like? You want to be in that moment with a smile that's attractive. There has to be a better choice. I'm telling you there is. This is a real client, this is a real client, and this is a real client. Most people say if it was possible, they would improve their smile. I want you to know that we have the world's best financing. If you truly want to change your smile, then I'm going to ask you to make a decision today. Click the button below, go to our financing page. Look at what we can do at $149 per arch. As long as you have a path to do it, most people will say, I can do it. If you think you won't get approved, still click, still try. I promise you, you'll get approved. But the number one thing you need to do, stop what you're doing and come see me. Learn more about what we do. BrighterImageLab.com.